Hey guys, and welcome back to the server. This server, I'm actually up down.
Oh, and these underwears right here need to
No, not up down. I'm a YouTube rank. Cause I record YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna put on recording. And the owner's actually on. He's on a lot. So that's good if you want to apply staff. Actually, just apply. Okay, so these are the rules. Don't tell me for anything. You know, I only have fly. Pretty much. Okay. No spamming, swearing, no griefing, spawn killing. Yeah, because we're still getting some commands. Respect staff, definitely. Have fun. Actually, that's not any. Use common sense, definitely. No asking for ranks. Okay. Head admin. Ready. Owner, American Xbox. Co-owner, Co11. Admin, Ninja, Horde, and South 13. Mods, Troll 2, Captain Null, Ski Baller, Builder, Dragon Ball. They gotta add me on that. I'm a YouTuber. Warps, PvP, Wild, Drop Party, and Enchanting. And this is where you apply for staff applications. We're showing at that. And yeah. I'm gonna show you one. So this is a spawn. This server, like, was adding a lot of things. Well, not me. I'm just a YouTuber. I'm just gonna play you guys in. Have some fun. PvP. Wild. Okay, I'm gonna show you Warp Drop Party. Ah, poop. I don't have permission. Okay, I'm gonna tell them. Lol, trying to show YouTube. Oh my god. Can I at least, like, maybe since they gave me the rank and I had the rank. Okay. I'm gonna show them the maze that he made. This guy made. Oh, that guy left. Okay. Lost, do ball. Get on there. Go. Start right here. Go. Straight. Welcome. This thing that you can't open. There's a lot of bugs on the server. Don't worry, we're fixing it. Oh, they are. Captain Positive. What the? Wow. Oh, yeah, I can see. Control it. Ready, set, go! That's bad. Go here. Go here. No. Go here. Go straight. Okay, that's the end of the video. I'm going to post later and see you guys later.